Imagine a world where drug discovery isn't a process of trial and error, but a precise, targeted endeavor. Today, the path to discovering new drugs is like navigating a labyrinth. It's lengthy, costly, and fraught with dead ends. The journey often takes years, if not decades, and hundreds of millions of dollars. And the complexity doesn't end there. Predicting the effectiveness of potential drugs is like trying to solve a massive, ever-changing puzzle. The pieces are the countless interactions that can occur between a drug and the human body. The picture is the elusive, desired outcome of a safe, effective medication. So we are left with a pressing question. How can we expedite this process, cut costs, and increase the predictability of drug discovery? Could artificial intelligence be the key to revolutionizing this process? Let's delve into this. In the midst of these challenges, NVIDIA has introduced BioNeMo, an AI platform designed to revolutionize drug discovery. BioNeMo stands as a beacon of innovation in the field, with its purpose being to streamline and accelerate the development of life-saving medications. This platform is a part of the larger NVIDIA Clara Healthcare AI suite, which is dedicated to tackling diverse challenges in the medical world. But let's zoom in on BioNeMo. This platform's capabilities are impressive, to say the least. It is equipped with the ability to simulate molecular structures, which is a game changer in the world of drug discovery. Traditionally, understanding the behavior and interaction of molecules required costly and time-consuming physical experiments. These experiments often involved trial and error, and results were not always guaranteed. However, with BioNeMo's simulation capabilities, researchers can now explore the molecular world in a virtual environment. They can observe how different molecules interact with each other, predict their behavior, and identify potential issues or benefits much earlier in the process. This not only saves a significant amount of time, but also reduces the financial burden associated with physical experiments. But the innovation doesn't stop there. NVIDIA has recently expanded BioNeMo with new generative AI models. These models open up a whole new world of possibilities for novel drug development, allowing researchers to explore and generate potential drug candidates that might not have been considered before. And we cannot forget to mention Recursion, a biotechnology company that's leveraging BioNeMo to its full potential. Their Phenom-Beta model, built on BioNeMo, analyzes cellular images to understand drug and genetic effects. This has been made possible by NVIDIA's H100 GPUs, which power Recursion's AI capabilities, creating one of the most powerful supercomputers for biopharma research. In essence, BioNeMo is more than just an AI platform. It's a cutting-edge tool that's transforming the way we approach drug discovery. It represents the increasing role of AI in medicine, showing us that the future of drug discovery might be a lot closer than we think. But what exactly makes BioNeMo so innovative? We'll delve into that in the next scene. Stay tuned. A major factor in BioNeMo's effectiveness is its use of generative AI models. Now, if you're wondering what these models are and how they work, let's delve a bit deeper. Generative AI models, in essence, are a class of artificial intelligence that are capable of creating new content. They learn from existing data, understand the underlying patterns, and then generate new data that's similar but not identical. Think of them as the imaginative artists of the AI world, creating unique and novel outcomes. Now apply this concept to drug discovery. These models allow researchers to simulate molecular structures, reducing the need for expensive and time-consuming physical experiments. Instead of manually exploring each possibility, researchers can now leverage AI to generate a multitude of potential molecular structures, streamlining the process significantly. But it's not just about speed. Generative AI models also open up new avenues in the field of drug discovery. They can generate novel molecular structures that a human might not consider or deem feasible. In this way, they expand the horizons of what's possible, pushing the boundaries of conventional drug development. For instance, imagine a researcher trying to design a new drug to combat a disease. The traditional approach would involve a series of trial and error experiments, which can take years or even decades. But with BioNeMo's generative AI models, the researcher can input the desired characteristics of the drug, and the AI can generate multiple molecular structures that fit the criteria. This not only accelerates the process but also broadens the scope of potential solutions, increasing the likelihood of finding an effective drug. So, in a nutshell, BioNeMo's generative AI models are like a magic wand, conjuring up a myriad of possibilities, each with the potential to be the next breakthrough in drug development. They are transforming the landscape of drug discovery, making it more efficient, more creative, and more promising than ever before. Now let's take a look at how these advancements are being put into practice. Recursion, a biotech company, has utilized BioNeMo's capabilities to create the Phenom-Beta model. This model is a game changer in the world of drug discovery, and here's why. The Phenom-Beta model focuses on analyzing cellular images, capturing essential details that could pave the way for novel treatments. It's like having a microscopic detective working round the clock, sifting through the complexities of cellular structures and unearthing clues about drug and genetic effects. You see, every drug we consume interacts with our cells in specific ways. By understanding these interactions, researchers can predict how a new drug might behave in our bodies. And this is where the Phenom-Beta model shines. It doesn't just look at cells, it interprets what it sees, translating cellular stories into a language that scientists can understand. By doing so, the model can identify patterns and anomalies that would otherwise go unnoticed. It can spot the subtle changes a drug causes in a cell or how a particular genetic mutation alters cellular behavior. This information is invaluable in designing drugs that target these specific changes, leading to more effective and personalized treatments. But how does it do all this? Well, it's all thanks to BioNeMo's generative AI models. These models simulate molecular structures in a virtual environment, allowing the Phenom-Beta model to study cellular images in great detail. This virtual approach reduces the need for expensive and time-consuming physical experiments, making drug discovery faster and more cost-effective. And the best part? Recursion has supercharged the Phenom-Beta model with 500 NVIDIA H100 GPUs, creating one of the most powerful supercomputers for biopharma research. This means the model can analyze more cellular images in less time, accelerating the pace of drug discovery. So there you have it. The Phenom-Beta model is revolutionizing drug discovery, turning cellular images into a treasure trove of insights and speeding up the journey from lab to patient. With such advancements, what's next for BioNeMo? The future of drug discovery is looking brighter with the continued development of BioNeMo. As we delve into the future possibilities, let's take a moment to appreciate the strides that have been made. One of the key players, Recursion, is set to supercharge its AI capabilities by incorporating 500 NVIDIA H100 GPUs. This move is aimed at creating one of the most formidable supercomputers dedicated to biopharma research. Imagine the possibilities that such computational power could unlock. With the ability to analyze and simulate molecular structures at an unprecedented scale and speed, this supercomputer could potentially revolutionize the way we conduct drug discovery. The integration of these cutting-edge GPUs into BioNeMo will not only enhance the platform's performance but also expand the range of research possibilities. It's like giving a master painter a palette with an infinite array of colors. With more tools at their disposal, researchers can explore a wider spectrum of potential drug compounds and genetic interactions. This development is not just about speed or scale, it's about enabling a paradigm shift in drug discovery. By leveraging AI models and high-performance computing, we can move away from traditional, time-consuming, and often hit-or-miss methods. Instead, we can predict and simulate the effects of potential drugs on the molecular level, vastly improving our understanding and accelerating the process of discovery. What does this mean for the healthcare industry? It means faster development of life-saving medications, a more efficient use of resources, and ultimately a better quality of life for patients worldwide. It's a future where AI doesn't replace human researchers but empowers them, enhancing their capabilities and enabling them to do what was once thought impossible. Indeed, the integration of AI in drug discovery is no longer a distant dream but a reality that is transforming the industry. So, what have we learned today? We've delved into how NVIDIA is revolutionizing drug discovery with their BioNeMo platform, a part of their Clara Healthcare AI suite. Through the integration of new generative AI models, BioNeMo allows researchers to navigate uncharted territories in the development of novel drugs. By simulating molecular structures, it eliminates the need for costly and time-consuming physical experiments. We also explored Recursion's Phenom-Beta model on BioNeMo, which interprets cellular images to comprehend the effects of drugs and genetics. Recursion is supercharging its AI capabilities with 500 NVIDIA H100 GPUs, creating a powerhouse for biopharma research. Furthermore, we touched on how advancements in GPUs and on-device AI processing are facilitating the integration of generative AI in drug discovery. In essence, BioNeMo is a game changer, accelerating the creation of life-saving medications. The future of drug discovery is here, and it's powered by AI. Thanks for joining us in this exploration of NVIDIA's BioNeMo.